Sun King Home System is a complete solar-powered light system. A smart, powerful, and efficiently run device. It's fully equipped with 3 hanging lamps and wall-mountable light switches, a 6-watt solar panel, and 2 USB ports for easy charging capabilities. To set up the home system, you simply find a sunny spot to place your solar panel by using the solar charge indicator to verify correct placement. After connecting the solar panel into the main control center, begin plugging in your 3 lights and 2 USB devices. Each light comes equipped with a daisy chain adapter and 2 wires, one that you can connect to the control panel and one leading to the light switch. Each light has 3 brightness modes. With so many features packed into one, the Sun King Home System is a must-have personal power system for all.